In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize Word's auto-formatting settings to ensure your document looks just the way you want it. So, if you've ever found yourself frustrated because Word keeps making automatic formatting changes that you didn't ask for, stick around. We're about to change that. First, let's open up Word on your computer. Once you're there, look towards the top left corner of your screen and click on File. This will open a menu with plenty of options, but what we're interested in today is located towards the bottom of that list. Click on Options, and a new window called Word Options will pop up. In the Word Options dialog, you'll see a list of categories on the left-hand side. What we want here is proofing. Give that a click, and you'll be presented with several different settings to adjust how Word handles proofing tasks. However, for our purposes today, we need to look for a button labeled Autocorrect Options. Go ahead and click on it. Now you're in the Autocorrect dialog box. There are multiple tabs at the top, but the one we'll start with is called Autoformat as you type. Once you're there, you'll see various checkboxes that control the automatic formatting Word applies. You can uncheck options like automatic numbered lists and automatic bulleted lists if Word tends to format lists in a way you don't prefer. There's also an option for tables. This one deals with Word automatically turning certain character combinations into tables. So, if you type plus, and suddenly a table appears, this setting is why. For those of you dealing with existing text, it's also a good idea to navigate over to the Auto Format tab, if it's available in your version. Here, you'll find options that affect how Word formats text that's already been typed. Disabling or adjusting these can help control those unexpected formatting changes that can sometimes take us by surprise. Once you've made your selections, go ahead and click OK to save your changes in the Autocorrect dialog box. You'll want to click OK once more in the Word Options dialog box to lock in everything and return to your document. There you have it. Word will no longer automatically apply those pesky formatting changes as you type. This gives you more control over your document, ensuring your text looks exactly how you want it to. With these settings adjusted, you can continue creating documents that keep your style rather than conforming to preset automatic formats. Thanks for tuning in today. I hope these tips help streamline your workflow and reduce any frustration with Word's auto-formatting. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks on mastering your digital tools.